The Nitrogen Advisor Marketing Kit is a powerful resource for client and prospect engagement, available to advisors with select Nitrogen subscriptions. In this video, we'll help you unpack all there is to know about marketing resources available to you. It's important to note that while Nitrogen doesn't offer in-house design services, these customizable resources allow you and your team to tailor each piece of marketing material to align with your unique branding approach. We'll kick things off with the QR code generator. Your personal lead generation questionnaire now comes in QR code form. That means anyone with a smartphone can scan and access your questionnaire instantly, whether it's on an ad, a business card, or even at an event. Pretty cool, right? This QR code makes capturing a prospect's risk number, their investable asset amount, and contact info easier than ever, all in just a few taps. So, how do you create your own QR code? It's simple. Just type in a color hex code or click on the box to choose a color, download the file, and upload it to your website, presentation deck, or any design software you use. Give it a try, and let us know how you're using QR codes to level up your lead generation. Next up is your fully animated client-facing video that you can customize with your company logo and disclaimer. It's a great way to highlight your approach while keeping your brand front and center. And the best part? It's super easy to set up. Simply email support@nitrogenwealth.com and include your firm's logo and your disclaimer, under 600 characters. Once you submit your logo and disclaimer, our team will create your custom video and email you when it's ready. Then you can choose where you'd like to share or post the video. Next up, we have our compliance approval best practices. This guide is meant to help you get your finished pieces through compliance and into the public domain as seamlessly as possible. If you're looking for a client-facing resource, you can use the available flyer. This brochure gives investors a quick overview of Nitrogen and your risk alignment platform. Want to customize it? We've included Adobe InDesign files so your designer can tailor the flyer to your brand. We've also compiled best practices for advertising on the web and social media so you can drive traffic that converts into real conversations. Be sure to give this one a look. Want a poster for your office wall? This one is on us. We've had advisors feature this poster in their waiting rooms and on the wall behind their desks, making it a great conversation piece during Zoom calls. Go to nitrogenwealth.com/poster to visit our online store and use the promo code FREENitrogenPoster, and we'll cover shipping. Now it's time to shout out your differentiated client experience using the Nitrogen platform from the rooftops. Use this Mad Lib-style press release to plug in your firm's details and showcase what sets you apart, helping you stand out and attract new clients. And when those prospects start walking through the door, wow them with a powerful presentation that walks them through Nitrogen, showing exactly how you use it as a key differentiator. To make things even easier, we've included speaker notes in both PowerPoint and Keynote so you can deliver a polished, confident presentation every time. This next piece is a fun one. Use the risk number to spark curiosity and build connections with prospects. Our social media image generator lets you create branded graphics. Just pick a call to action, choose a background color, and download it for your favorite platform. Finally, click this button to download a curated PDF document full of ideas to help you craft effective web and social media strategies. We're thrilled to bring you these industry-leading marketing tools designed to inspire, educate, and make your marketing and prospecting efforts easier than ever. Here's to smarter prospecting and more meaningful connections. We can't wait to see how you use these resources to empower the world to invest fearlessly.